So I'm Rick with Marquee Towels, and we're coming here to show you today about towels' impact on sanitizer. So most food service accounts, 98% of them use quaternary sanitizer. What they don't realize is that towels have a really adverse effect on quaternary sanitizer. This chemical works off a cationic charge. It's a positive chemical charge. Bacteria, fungus, mold, virus, they're all anionic, negative. So the positive chemical attaches to the negative bad stuff and kills it. The problem with towels are, this is anionic. So the chemical thinks this is what it needs to kill. So all of its energy goes and attaches to this towel and becomes neutralized. It's called quat binding. So what I'm gonna show you today is we're gonna take a look at this sanitizer and show you what actually comes out of the towels. We're close to 400 parts per million, that's great. So a towel's job in sanitizing is to take this chemical and put it on the surface. It's nice that a towel makes things clean, it picks up food particles, but really for food safety, it's important that it picks this chemical up and puts it onto the surface at the right parts per million. So what I'll do here is, this is our Pure Surf towels. They're sanitizer compatible towels. Submerge this in there, and it was pretty simple. All I did was dip it, squeeze it out, and we'll test what comes out of it. We're still 400 parts per million. So cotton towels, again, this is anionic. So when you introduce this into it, this chemical thinks this is a giant piece of bacteria or bioload, and it's putting all its energy is attaching to the fibers here. So if we were gonna go wipe up the surface right now, you'd like to see what comes out of it. So here's what happens. These are brand new towels. Towels that have been laundered perform much worse because alkaline detergents don't like quat. It's not changing colors, that's a problem. Because you took a perfectly good, and at the high end at 400 parts per million, you were at about maybe 50 parts per million. That's dangerous for a couple reasons. You don't kill anything onto the surface, and it can have bacteria that can build resistance to it. The bigger problem is, you wiped up somewhere, we're all carriers of bacteria, you don't know what people have on you. Somebody could have E. coli, sit down and touch a surface. If you wipe down with this towel, you not only didn't kill that bacteria, this is now a carrier. I consider towels like the last line of defense in sanitizing, because we're all carriers of bacteria. You wipe up a lot of things that might be raw chicken there, there's salmonella, and if it doesn't kill that bacteria and it carries on this towel, it can be transferred anywhere where people are eating, where raw foods are consumed, like salads. If you wipe up in those areas, you transfer that bacteria and people can get really sick.
So durability-wise, the heavyweights should last 5 or 6 days.
Yeah.
In the evening, you just put them in quat bucket, and because there's a little bit of, it's not detergent, it's...
Well, there's a mild detergent that's in
there
quats that'll help work out staining.
Any stains or anything like this, and you can just use them over and over and over.
Yeah.
So it's a fantastic product.